Now let's start by understanding the reciprocal method of percentage. Now we start with this. 1 by 2 is 50%. What is the meaning of this? Say there is an exam of 200 marks and you scored 100 marks in the exam. What percentage of marks did you score? 50%. Similarly, say exam is of 2 marks and you scored 1 mark. So what percentage did you score? 50%. Similarly, you scored 1 out of 3. 1 is what part of 3? 33.33%. Or else you can look at it in this way as well. 1 by 3 is 0.33. Since it's percentage, I'll multiply by 100. So it comes out to be 33.33. It's a normal division. 1 out of 4 is 25. Similarly, 1 by 5 is 20. 1 by 6 is 16.66. Then comes 1 by 7, which is 14.2857%. 1 by 8 is 12.5%. 1 by 9 is 11.11%, 1 by 10 is obviously 10%, and 1 by 11 is 9.09%, and going on like this. But the first question that comes into your mind is, how will I remember so many reciprocals? Because you will have to remember this at a go, because it will help you a lot in your problem. So let's start. How do you remember all this? So 1 by 2 is 50%. I know that. That will be simple. Divide both sides by 2. I'll divide both the sides by 2. So 1 by 2 upon 2 becomes 1 by 4 and 50 half becomes 25. That's it. So if I know 1 by 2, I know 1 by 4 as well. Now again divide 1 by 4 by 2 on both the sides. So 1 by 4 becomes 1 by 8 and 25 half becomes 12.5. So I know 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 8. Similarly, I'll know 1 by 16. Dividing both sides by 2. 1 by 16 is 6.25. Again divide both sides by 2 of 1 by 16. 1 by 32 will be half of 6.25, which is 3.125, and that's how I remember all of them. Now let's start by remembering the next number, which is 1 by 3, 33.33. Dividing both sides by 2. 33.33 half is 16.66, and I know that. Divide 1 by 3 both sides by 3. So 1 by 3 becomes 1 by 9, and 33.33 divided by 3 becomes 11.11, and that's how it simply you can get and derive many answers from one reciprocal. After 1 by 2, 1 by 3, remember 1 by 5 is 20%. 1 by 7 is, do a double of 7, 14. Double of 14, 28. Double of 28, 56. So 1 by 7 is 14.2857. Okay, so there is a trick to remember 1 by 7. 1 by 9 and 1 by 11 are opposite of each other. 1 by 9 is 11.11 and 1 by 11 is 9.09. So again, one more trick to remember this. And 1 by 10 is obviously 10%. So what do you remember? You remember always the prime number. You always remember the prime number reciprocal, because the rest you can derive from that. So you need to remember 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, because all these are prime number. Rest you can derive from this prime number. So make sure you remember 1 by 13, 1 by 17, 1 by 19, 1 by 23, and so on. Now after understanding what are reciprocals, let's go on to the application of reciprocal. Okay, now what is the application of reciprocal? Now let's see. I am being asked 14.28% of 343. 14.28 according to the table is nothing but 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 into 343 I'll write, which is nothing but 7 into 7 into 7. 343 is 7 cube. 7 gets cut. 7 sevens are 49. So 14.28% of 343 is nothing but 49. That's an application. Next question. 66.66% of 999. Now let's check by table what is 66.66. I know 1 by 3 is 33.33. Right? 1 by 3 is 33.33. For 66.66, what will I do? 1 by 3, which is nothing but 33.33 plus 1 by 3. One more 1 by 3. 33.33 plus 33.33 will be 66.66. So that will become what? 2 by 3. So I can write 66.66 as 2 by 3. That's it. Cut 333 into 2. What is your answer? 666. And that is how you apply your reciprocal. So 66.66% of 999 is 666. Now let's take one more problem. 28.57% of 49. Now let's see from the table what is 28.57. Where can I get 28.57? 1 by 7 is 14.28. So if I double that, 14.28 into 2 will be what? 28.56. So I'll write 28.57. 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7. So that is 14.28 plus 14.28. That becomes what? 28.57. So I'll write this as 2 by 7 into 49. Okay, 2 by 7 into 49. That answer comes out to be what? 7 7s are 49. 7 into 2 will be 14, and that's how I get the answer to this. Next question, 36.66% of 240. Let's say, how will I start? 36.66, what will I do? 1 by 5 is 20, yes, and 1 by 6 is 16.66. So now I'll add. First I started with plain, then I started with multiplication. Now I'll add the two reciprocals. So I need 20 plus 16.66 is 36.66. So I'll write 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 into 240. So this becomes 5 plus 6, 11 by 30 into 240. 31s are 38s are 11 into 8, 88. 36.66% of 240 is 88 now. Let's solve one more. 6.66% of 120. Now where will I get 6.66% here? 1 by 6 is 16.66 and 1 by 10 is 10%. I'll subtract the 2. I'll subtract the 2 now. So 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10 will be my 6.66 into 120. So 10 minus 6 is 4 upon 60 into 120. 61s are 62s are 4 into 2 is 8. So 6.66% of 120 is 8. And that's how I apply the reciprocal. That's why you need to know the table very well. So what did I do with the reciprocal here? In the first problem, I applied plain reciprocal. Just by looking at the table, I knew 14.28 is 1 by 7. So I don't have to think much because this is straight from my table of reciprocal. But in the next two problems, 28.57 and 66.66, this is an example of multiplication of reciprocal, which is 1 by 3 into 2 and 1 by 7 into 2. Next, I saw addition of reciprocal, so 20% plus 16.66. And in the end, I saw subtraction of reciprocal. So you can get anything in the exam. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, plain, reciprocal, and that is where you have to think and get the answer quickly. So make sure you know your table well to come and solve such kind of problem of addition, subtraction, multiplication and your division.